to buy this Ella tote in Tory Burch, and I was with my sisters-in-law, and after buying the stuff that we need from Tory Burch, I went to the washroom and So when I came back, I found this text on my phone saying that, hey, we are at Coach. Coach is just across Tory Burch. And I got this. So I don't have any intention to buy anything. I was just told to pick something. So I picked something that is at the rightmost of the shelf. And let's see what I got. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. And that's it. This is what I got. They got their own, and I got this too. Let's see what we have. Ta-da! I actually don't know what kind of bag is this. This is the first bag at the right of the shelf. I just picked it out of nothing, just for fun. But I was shocked, of course. I was shocked. Dun, 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 dun. I have it gift wrapped for myself. It's not that weird, but you know. And I actually don't know what kind of bag is this. I know what it looks like, but I don't know what it is. So it says that it is it's a Maddy. Maddy hobo. So it's a black Maddy hobo. So it has a snap-on closure. Okay, let me put this box aside. Sorry, I have all the pile in there. Well, I don't know. I have to put it back later and I don't know how. So this is what's inside, Maddy. So it has a magnet top closure. Then we have this sling. Oh, it's convertible too. I didn't even know. I thought it was just a sling. Oh, it's pretty nice actually. It has some kind of bronze hardware. Then, this is a surprise. I really just picked this out of my sister's telling me, come on, pick it. If you don't buy it, we won't buy it too. And the sales lady was like, I'm waiting for you guys. This. In the bag, it has the code, and where is it made from? Am I allowed to say where is it made from? I think it's Vietnam. Then this sling, this pouch is attached to here, the corner of the bag. See, I'm giving you the inside of my bag. Like there's nothing really there, just this one here, and this one attached to that. I think this serves as the compartment. It's pretty nice though, and this is a very nice leather. It scratches easily, but I don't know, I like it for some reason. So it has a shoulder strap, and it has a long shoulder. It has a baby shoulder strap and a long shoulder strap. I don't know what you call this strap. Then of course I collect these ones. Oh, sorry, it's so messy. Of course, it has this tag. I collect these tags, by the way. I don't want to take it from this bag, but I might put all my tags in here. I don't know. I like having it there. Then that's the bottom. The bottom says glove tanned leather. So I think glove tanned leather is one of Coach's high-end leathers. I am not pretty sure. I'm just guessing because it's my bag. Then I think that's pretty it. So again, let me show you my bag. I'm not returning this. I love it. And I have fun memories with it. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, size-wise, I don't know. I'm a an engineer, but let's do this. 1, 2, and 1 and 2. You know what? If I do this, my dad will always tell me, you know what? It's like you're not an engineer. So that's 2 of each. 2 of this ones. Ta-da! See ya.